Hey guys, welcome back to Hello RC. This is Jason. I'm out here with Liz and Wyatt today for a brand new unboxing. And Wyatt has no idea what's in this box. So he's gonna check it out here for us today. And we're gonna check this thing out and see what it's all about.
What's that? Another four-wheel steer thing? I didn't have a bed on it.
And there we go. There's the brand new
It goes half a truck.
Redcat Ascent
Redcat
Fusion.
half truck.
And Wyatt's gonna go ahead and
It doesn't even have the bed.
doesn't even have the bed on it.
Okay.
Now, a little thunder off in the background. Doing an outdoor unboxing today. It's really nice out here. Crawler County is off to the left behind Wyatt. So we'll be doing a first run video here after we do our unboxing. I'm looking at it through the camera here. I need to look at it in person. That is absolutely beautiful. Man, Redcat's come a long way.
This thing is really cool looking.
Yeah. So this is more of a ready-to-run competition crawler. It is made for performance, and we're gonna put it to the test.
That is fancy.
On our
Look
crawler
at the
course.
pretty things there.
It's like carbon fiber.
Yeah,
It's fancy.
carbon fiber frame.
Whoa.
Look at all that. Look at this. Look at the aluminum. How they like milled the little cross members to make it.
Oh, that's cool.
That is sick. That frame is sick. This is a good looking truck.
How much is that thing?
$400.
Right now?
Yeah,
Is it going to be $400 forever?
I think so.
No.
Yeah,
Is it going to maintain that price?
I hope so, because this is a lot of truck for $400.
That is a good price.
And it is called the Fusion because it has a Hobby Wing Fusion brushless motor in it right out of the box.
This is cool.
It's got the 42.
Well, that's why they call it a Fusion?
Yeah,
Two clips are on the back.
Because of its motor?
because of its motor.
How much is a motor?
That motor, I think it's the Fusion SC 1800 kV basically.
That's neat.
And it's about an $80 motor.
I think that.
It comes off just the same way as the small Ascent. You gotta push that down and then push it forward. Yeah,
I don't think it goes forward because there's a thing in the front.
it does. It comes off.
There's
It comes forward. It's just.
a
There we go. All right, look at that thing. Man, that is absolutely just, I mean, that looks like a piece of machinery there.
Let me look at it.
Get all the weight in the front.
Yeah. Supposedly it's got a perfect 60-40 weight distribution from front to rear and
Sticky?
50-50 side to side.
Ooh, those tires look good.
Let me feel those. Yeah, they do feel really good. On plastic bead locks. There's that torque spec servo, 42 kg at 8.4.
What you turning?
Hey, what are those little white things doing there on the back? I think that's holding the suspension, isn't it?
They gonna stay there?
Yeah, we got to clip those off,
Oh,
I think.
that's why I wasn't.
Yeah.
I was trying to test how flexible it was.
All right, well, it's gonna cut these little bands off the bottom.
Probably slice my hand open. Maybe. I don't know.
With the world's smallest knife. Got one of them.
We're gonna have some comments. You need a new knife.
Yeah. I know you got a better knife than that.
He does.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, look at that. It raised up.
It did raise up. Now it flexes way better.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Front.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. That's only $400.
It's really good.
carbon fiber.
Is it real carbon fiber?
Yeah, it's real carbon
Is it
fiber.
real carbon fiber?
That is 100% real carbon fiber.
Dude, they came out with the
It
Ascent
goes all the way up.
that is $300, right?
Yeah.
And this one's only $100 more, and you get all that.
Yeah, you get the carbon fiber, you get the brushless.
But you get half a truck.
Yeah, which is
You
okay.
don't got a bed with it.
Yeah,
You could probably put the Ascent bed on
It
it.
looks more like off-roady.
there's a lot of
It
upgrades
does
on
look
this
more
thing.
off-roady without the bed. But I wouldn't suggest on your full-size truck taking the bed off, Wyatt. Just to look off-roady.
I just love all those little red washers on the screws. That looks so
It
cool.
does look cool. It matches the red on the truck.
Uh-huh.
And look at that red thing in the front. Is that metal?
Yes,
It's a diff.
that is. That's a
That's a
metal.
what?
That's a machined aluminum diff cover,
Wow.
and it's red. Even the bumpers. Feel your front bumper there.
What's a bumper? This thing?
Yeah, that's metal.
Oh, wow.
Yep. The rear one is metal,
Oh, wow.
and they are really tucked back. You know, so you don't have anything
But
hanging
no
out
lights,
over the front.
No lights.
No lights, but we put our own lights on here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sticker.
It's got a fake light sticker.
Really, really cool truck.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's got metal springs or metal shocks.
Yeah, metal shocks.
Does it have oil in there?
They have oil. And they're tuned. They changed these shocks over the original Ascent to give it a little more flex.
Those wheels.
Yeah, they're
Are
real
they
big.
metal beadlocks?
No, they're just plastic, but
okay,
they are
so
real.
that's the cheap part of it.
Yep, they're real beadlocks, so. And they got cheap foams in them too, so we'll probably put metal
we
wheels.
already have foams to put in them. We got the, what is it called?
The Endura silicone.
Endura silicone.
And
We're
we make
gonna-
our own, so
We're
we'll
gonna
probably
go
try
live
them
and
both.
put the silicone in, and then we'll try them
Yep.
with ours.
But yeah, this truck is absolutely awesome. And I'll give you a little preview of our course here.
Is the silicone like what they fill people with? Silicone?
Probably.
Yeah.
I don't think it's like surgical grade, but
Oh.
yeah, there it
What
is.
we cook with?
Yeah. Yeah, we could make oven mitts
use
out of these foams after they
Silicone
wear out.
spatulas, I think.
Yeah. But I'll
Oven
give you a
mitts.
little preview of our course here at the end of this video. And we'll get this truck out here real soon and
We'll have
get
to
our
ask
first
about
run video.
silicone.
So
Okay.
there it is.
This is a great truck for
Yeah.
the price. $400. We'll put the link in
Yes,
there.
link will be in the description. If you buy it through
You
our
gotta have
link, you will
one.
help our channel. So
Yay.
we appreciate that.
Oh
and-
gosh, it is. Listen to that. It's
Yeah.
so sticky.
Let's go try it out.
It's great. What do you
All right.
think, Wyatt? Is it a
Cool.
win?
Looks really cool.
It
It's a
does.
competitor. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to go try this thing out.